I have done a workaround of this unit before, but we're going to do it with the flash on so you guys can see how cool the reflective decals they have on the NYPD units have. Start seeing it right there. This is how they look with modern. So when other cars are shining their lights on them, they can easily see the marking. A lot of people don't know about that. There it is. Look at the greens. The reds. Okay. I just thought you'd find that interesting.